Hi, I'm Travis Studdard, a veterans disability attorney with Perkins Law Firm. You may have seen my earlier video about the basics for rating Parkinson's disease under VA law and the 30% minimum rating that you're entitled to if you're diagnosed with this disease. Today I want to talk to you about how to get higher than 30%, perhaps even as high as 100 or above. The second step in rating Parkinson's is to look at not just the minimum rating, but each individual symptom that you have that is a result of this disease. Now, the best place to find a list of these symptoms is either through talking with your doctor that's treating you or looking at the Parkinson's Disability Benefits Questionnaire that would be used by a VA doctor when evaluating your condition. And you can find that form online, and it'll have a list of various symptoms that a doctor can say yes or no and the severity with which you're experiencing those symptoms. Now, some common symptoms associated with Parkinson's include what's called bradykinesia, which is slowed movement of the body, postural instability, which is difficulty in maintaining one's balance or staying upright, rigidity with one's muscles, difficulty in moving those, and then the classic symptom that most people think of, which is tremors or the shaking that you see in many Parkinson's patients. Each of these is rated according to which part of the body they affect. There are diagnostic codes that address upper extremities or your arms, and then there's other diagnostic codes, a set of those for your lower extremities, your legs. Now, in addition to those that I talked about, there's some other symptoms that can affect the person depending on which stage of the disease that they're currently in. Those can include difficulty swallowing, difficulty with speech, facial muscles that become paralyzed or no longer work. You can also experience cognitive disorders or disruption in thought patterns as the disease attacks the brain. Unfortunately, many Parkinson's patients also experience bladder incontinence or problems with bowel movements, which can obviously impact all phases of their life, especially their employment or ability to leave the home. There's a lot more to Parkinson's ratings than these, but these are kind of an overview of what we typically see in these types of claims. Again, each of these should be rated individually, and then all of those ratings combined together for an overall combined rating of your Parkinson's disease. Again, we have a very detailed blog on our website that goes more in depth on this issue, and you can check that out there. The main thing to keep in mind is look at the entire circumstance in this disease and how it affects you in each way to maximize your VA disability rating. Hopefully you found this helpful. If so, give it a thumbs up on YouTube. We would appreciate it. You can also reach out to us on our website or give us a phone call for a free consultation if you have questions about Parkinson's disease and how it's rated and how to maximize your rating, or if you have any other questions about your VA disability claim. Thank you for watching.